Hello everyone, how you guys doing? So this is Tarani. Welcome back to my channel. I'm doing this for a haul video. इसमें I'll show you all the clothes that I got. So you know that I love shopping with my own money, obviously. So मेरे सैलरी का आधा पैसा तो शॉपिंग में ही जाता है, बट आई डोंट रिग्रेट इट बिकॉज हाफ आई सेव डिफरेंट साइड ऑफ द स्टोरी. बट अभी H&M में काफ़ी सेल चल रहा है एंड पहले कुछ 50% सेल था, फिर 70% हो गया. तो आई गॉट सम बेसिक पैंट, ट्राउजर्स एंड पर्स विच मुझे बहुत आई फेल्ट कि काफ़ी अच्छा डील में मिल रहा है वो, क्योंकि अभी समर सीज़न है. तो आई थॉट ऑफ गेटिंग दोज पैंट्स एंड देन कॉटन ट्राउजर्स, जो कि आप सपोज जीन्स तो समथिंग इज़ कि आप पहनते भी नहीं हो, मतलब रखा रहता है. जब आप बाहर जाते हो तो आप पहनते हो, घर पे तो आप जीन्स नहीं पहनोगे ऑब्वियसली. तो आप पैंट्स पहनोगे, ट्राउजर्स, कॉटन्स, जो आपको समर में बहुत अच्छा फील होता है. तो 10,000 का मैंने पार्सल ऑर्डर किया था. तो दिस विल बी ऑल अबाउट हॉल वीडियोज़ and it is under budget, not over budget, less than 1,200 rupees. So I'm pretty excited, and if you guys loved any of the product and want to know the link, तो आप comment कर देना and I will be happy to share you. So hope you enjoy. Let's get started. I've got this pant. See, it's the pant that I got. So it gives that washed cotton sweatpant kind of look, and the color is beige, lightweight, 100% cotton. It's best for summer. Then I got this poplin shirt. It's a loose fit crisp cotton, and it has a gentle dropped stripe which makes you look slimmer, and bottom is cuffed. I love this, is perfect for corporate. You can style with any other skirt or trouser as well. Then I got this pant. This is in light blue striped. This is also good. It's a viscon and lean blended. The best thing is the cloth material is too good. You can wear in summer and it will not sweat out. This pant, the pant I got. इसका जो कलर है ना, मतलब ऐसा, मतलब आपको लगेगा बहुत ओल्ड टाइप का, रूडी वॉश्ड काइंड ऑफ लुक है, जो कि मुझे इतना अच्छा नहीं लगा. स्ट्राइप, ये वाला जो डिटेलिंग है काफ़ी प्रोफेशनल लग रहा है. दिस इज द पर्स. यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो डिटेल है. ऑलरेडी मुझे इतना कुछ खास नहीं लगा, क्वाइट चीप. तो इज ऑफ वाइट. आई लव दिस. ये पूरा फुल कॉटन है और बहुत ऐसा लगेगा नहीं कि आप पहने हो. उसका लेंथ भी काफ़ी लंबा है, डिटेलिंग भी बहुत अच्छा. कपड़ा इज़ टू गुड. ये कपड़े के लिए मैंने इसको लिया है, और मुझे वाइट उतना पसंद नहीं है, तो ये वैसा वाइट भी है, ऑफ वाइट कलर, ऐसा काइंड ऑफ लाइट शेड दे रहा है. दैट्स व्हाई आई गॉट इट. So this one I got from H&M store. I love this, and the color is too girly. I thought of, if I'm going over, I can just style this, and the material is so soft, in one hand only it'll come. Then we have this cotton drawstring trouser. It is a loose fit, but it's 100% cotton, and it has a wide leg. It's striped. It's pretty much trendy these days. Then we have this burgundy shorts. It's lightweight and it has just a small frill at the top, and it's perfect, stylish, comfy, so best. Then we have this lean blend pull-on trouser. It's a bit transparent, but it's loose fit trouser, and it's a lean blended. It has also a narrow drawstring. Then we have this light gray washed look sweatpant. I loved this. Is a oversized denim shirt. It's a cropped oversize, and it's a cotton with the bottom, it's button, and the color is cream, not white. This bag I thought it will be small, but it's a shoulder bag and it's squatted. It's also in the color beige. Then I got few of more things from H&M Home. Then I got this 6-pack of taper candles in light grayish. So all the 2 sets are in different shape, which I was not aware before ordering. But it comes in regular, loose and spiral. So the deal was it's around 1099 rupees, but in sale I got in 300 rupees. And it says that it will burn, all the candles will burn like 8 hours. So I'll check and update you guys, but the quality is very nice. Love it. Second that I got is this we have. I got this pretty plate. I know this is giving such a finished touch, and it's huge. Same. It's quite huge. So hope you guys loved my video, and do let me know if you want to know any links. आपको कुछ भी link चाहिए आप comment करो, and subscribe and follow me for more such videos. Bye.